My first order from Temu arrived in this orange package with the logo on front. Now I did order all clothing items, so they came in these clear bags. Temu also threw in a few gift cards which you can give away to your family or your friends, and it's just showing you where you can download the app by scanning the QR code, and it's going to also give them a giveaway. So now let's jump into the try on haul portion of the video. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is StarShayNicole, and today we have a Temu try-on haul. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys a few pieces that I picked up. Now, I did not go all out because I had to test the waters and see what Temu was all about, baby. I was just not about to spend my coin and be paying for some crap. So let's get into it. So the first piece that I'm showing you guys today is a 3-piece bikini bathing suit. So this gives halter top-esque. It ties around the neck, as you guys can see, and here on the side, guys, it also has this drawstring, so if you want to show a little thigh action, you know, you can always just juke that up a little bit. Okay, y'all, so the next piece I ordered is this 2-piece set. It came with the long sleeve top and also a skirt. Now, don't get me wrong, it looks exactly the same from the website, but I did not know that the skirt was this mini. It gave zebra print, but as you can see, it's more like a kind of like an abstract meets fire flame type, but it's cute. It gave more of a zebra print. This would be nice with like a bold colored purse or heel. It kind of gives the impression that see, and it's rolling up. This is a size large as well, but I do love a 2-piece set. I just don't care for it because I feel like the skirt is a little too mini. I can't do much, you know. Sometimes I wanna do a little 2-step. Oh baby, it does scratch now. Don't get me wrong. It's just gonna be a no. So I kind of give this outfit. I love the print. I love the fabric. It's just the style of it. I don't know. The style just gave something different to me. So I'm definitely going to rate this a 6 out of 10. Now we have another bathing suit. This is a bikini 3-piece set, and it's in one of my favorite colors. I love the shade of power. Watching too much Ghost. Powder blue. This is powder blue, and I love the shade of blue so much. I thought it was real cute. Now this is it's real simplistic, you know. Is once again a tie around the neck bikini. Even though I'm a top heavy girl, I don't recommend because it can hurt your neck depending on how long you're going to be in it. It does tie on the sides. It has the screws for you to tie around back. You also can tie it. Now the back of this, ain't trying to get put off YouTube, it also has, it's not full coverage by any means, and like I said, if you look thickums, it's gonna get swallowed up. It's gonna get swallowed up. That's why I love the cover up. It comes in handy dandy. Now I really do love this bathing suit. I promise y'all, if they had an XL, I would have got an XL, and I promise y'all, I have definitely put on some more weight. I definitely put on a few, more than a few, since the last time I wore this. So I do have some spillage. Can't really show y'all the back. I'm not trying to get flagged or anything on here. So yeah, this is what it's giving. Like I said, this is a size large. So now let's take a look of what it's giving with the cover up. This is the cover up, guys. It also has the drawstring in the front, like my other bathing suit I showed you guys. So yeah, this is what it's giving. Let's put it on. Excuse me, had a little wardrobe malfunction. So yeah, this is what it's giving if you wanted to wear it over your bottoms. Now you can adjust this, of course, to wear it anywhere you want. You can wear it in the middle. I mostly had it over my swimwear when we left the hotel to walk around, and then I kind of had this type of situation where I scrunched up the middle going on, and yeah, that's what I was giving. But yeah, you can of course tuck that in. This is the back. This is what it's giving. And then I tied this up in the front. You can give it kind of like a high-waisted skirt feel, or you can bring it down to your midsection if you want it a little lower, or you know, you can wear it down and put it on your hips like hip huggers back in the day, and you can scrunch it up and still wear it low depending on what you like. But yeah, it was giving, y'all. And this was another piece I wore. I only wore this bathing suit. I wear it once or twice. I wore this bathing suit one time. Like I said, y'all gonna see it upcoming. I'll cover up this Fupa Lupa Chupa. And when I get in the water, they gonna get all of it. Cause yeah. So I actually give this bikini a 10 out of 10. I love a 3-piece, multiple piece set. Hell, they made a 6 pieces extra. But a good 2, 3, 4 piece set, baby, that's all for me. So I'm gonna definitely give this a 10 out of 10. The only thing I recommend if you're top heavy such as myself, definitely go up a size. You know, unfortunately with these sets, depending on your body shape and depending on how you're proportioned, sometimes like I feel like this is my largest area, my upper body. Yeah, upper body. My upper body. So I feel as if, you know, sometimes the sets, I just end up having to make them work. With this bathing suit, I brought it, I took it on a trip, so I just had to make it work. I definitely would have gone up an extra large. I don't feel like the bottoms of the bikini or this was a problem. It definitely stretched, which I didn't need any stretch. It conformed and fit the way I wanted it to. So that's the only thing, guys. I would definitely just go up to an extra large. But I definitely love this swimsuit set. Next we have this nice abstract dress in the color orange or orange, red and black. I thought this was a cute little statement piece dress. It is also a halter top, tie around the neck type dress. And right here the neckline kind of frills out or whatnot to kind of get that, you know, that loose-esque look. Once again, and y'all, I'm actually pretty short, so the dress just didn't give the impression that it was a Doomy Baby Booty dress. Now, a Doomy Baby Booty dress is a dress that's tight, it's right, and it hugs all your curves. It's kind of too short for my liking. I can't do too much in this dress because, baby, the dress is also in a size large, and I actually only wore this dress 2 times, y'all. I wore it on a birthday trip for my bestie. Make sure y'all subscribe. That vlog is coming up as well. I just have the girls just sitting. It's that type of dress where it will hold everything up and in for you. I do love that for us. And yeah, so I really like this dress. So I'm going to give this dress, besides it being so short, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. Okay guys, last but not least, we have this 2-piece tropical set. I say tropical because the colors is giving tropical. That's what drew me to it. This is also in a size large, and I just thought it was so cute, so summery, so festive. Yeah, it's cute. The way it's made, it is high-waisted, which is more my tees nowadays. I love a high-waisted bottom and whatnot, but from my pictures, people get the impression that it's an all-in-one. Now, I did see someone out a while back with the same outfit. Hers was a 1-piece, and it kind of does give a 1-piece, but guys, it's a top and a bottom. It's a 2-piece set. So I really love this outfit. It's a hit every time I go anywhere. I've only worn it, I think I've only worn it twice. And like I said, if y'all haven't by now, make sure you subscribe because it's going to be on a solo travel vlog as well as another vlog. So yeah, make sure y'all see how I stepped out and styled this. So let's get into the deets. So this is a V neckline. Here it has, oop, try to get me. I ain't monetized yet. Let's make that happen. Then here in the middle, it does have 4 buttons, and it's not just like for show buttons. They actually unbutton the top. And maybe if you got a man and you want to feel frisky with your man and pop it open if you got a man or whatnot. I can't relate. It has a collar as well. I thought that was cute. I'm typically, depending on the look, I'm not a collar girly anymore, but I thought that was cute, you know. And then The colors are white, orange. Again, we love orange. Like, look how it look on my skin. It's beautiful. Blue, I love this color of blue. So this is also in a size large. Everything that you guys have seen today has been a size large. Let me give you guys a 360. Oh, my hair is all in the way. But yeah, this is, so the back design of the shorts is actually like different. Let me see, and this kind of lines up. It kind of lines up. So I guess that's why it gives one piece, but it's actually two piece. But yeah, this was actually my favorite piece. I feel like it fit really well. Now this is more of the polyester only. It has to have some polyesters have stretch to it. Y'all don't mind me, y'all know I'm a seamstress, I know all about fabrics, but this is polyester and it has a small percentage of spandex in it as well, hence the stretch. The only thing I did not like about this, it did kind of give a little loose in the crotch area. You see that? So this seam right here could have been taken in. A size medium would have done better. But it actually, I feel like it fits comfortable. I only had a few problems with that. And for some reason, it's not really doing it because I'm trying it on for y'all. But y'all know what I'm talking about with the gappy crotch situation. It gave that the first time I put it on, but besides that, oh, and this collar kept flipping. I'm not gonna lie, the collar kept flipping when I was on the trip. Stay tuned and watch the vlog to see that. This is gonna conclude my Temu try-on haul. Overall, Temu. Would I order from Temu again? I think I would. I'm gonna try it again, and next time I'm gonna get more items. Temu sells everything from household items. If you got pets, if you got children, such as myself. So I will be ordering them some things. I'm gonna try household items, and I'm gonna get me some more clothing. They definitely have the goods for the low. I definitely recommend between an 8 out of 10 to try Temu if you haven't. I'm gonna try to link everything in the video down below. I also ordered my son an outfit, which is nowhere near. So only thing I had to say about that outfit is it did fit kind of big. So when it comes to Temu or any website, if you guys have a measuring tape, if you don't, you can get one off Amazon.com or at your nearest Walmart in the sewing department. So you can look at their sizing guides and measure yourself. I already know my measurements, so I didn't need to do it. But as far as my son, I should have measured him. He was on the smaller size at the time, so the outfit did fit him a little big. He couldn't fit it until a while. And I also ordered some socks. I got like a 12-pack of black footy socks for when I work out and wear sneakers, and they were like $2.50, guys. You can't beat that. So Temu definitely will be getting some more of my coin, and I will be updating you guys and showing you everything I get. So make sure you subscribe. Until next time.